Hi, chemistry, Viper chemistry students. Okay, so let's continue now with our binary ionic compounds, and this time we're going to write formulas. Okay, knowing the names, we'll go and we'll write formulas. So there's a few tricks to do that. Anyway, so we'll start with lithium fluoride. So the thing to do is identify the charges of the cation in this case. So lithium being a alkali metal is going to be +1. And then fluoride would be fluorine, which is just F. And F fluorine is a halogen, group 17. So it's just a -1. Now, there's a rule where if you crisscross the charges, so what we got to do is just write the two element symbols. Okay, and then you take one charge and crisscross it to here, and the other charge and crisscross it to there. It's 1-to-1, so the final formula would be lithium LiF. Okay, sort of like sodium chloride. All right, what about the next one here? Chromium 2 bromide. Now, this Roman numeral 2 here, chromium, by the way, happens to be a transition metal. So chromium is right here, number 24. So it's a transition metal. And it's got a Roman numeral, so we know it's a 2+ charge. So if we put a symbol for chromium, 2+, and then we look at bromine, which is a halogen here, so it's always a -1. Okay, now if we do our crisscross method there, put our two symbols. This is going to be 1 here, and then the 2+ to there. And so that results in a formula that would be CrBr2. So the idea there is that whatever the charge is of the cation becomes the number of the anion in the formula. Whatever the charge of the anion is becomes the number of elements in the formula for the cation. Okay, so that's that. Now here's another example: iron 1 oxide. So we do our charges here, our ion representative charges. This would be a +1. Oxygen is 2-. It is a group 16 element that would always be 2-. Okay, so now let's figure out what our formula would be here then. So if we take the 2 and bring it to here, 2 there, 1 to there. So that results then in a Fe2O formula. Good, fun stuff. It's a skill that chemistry students learn how to do. And once you master that skill, it's smooth sailing from there. So good luck, and thanks for watching.